Hey there, this is Attorney Dan with Attorney Stephen Liu. We've been working on a couple of estate planning cases together over the last couple of months, and I thought I'd have Stephen here come and chat with us about estate planning and what he's experienced over his 20 years of practice. So thanks for joining us.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Yeah, so let's kind of get right into it. Yeah, we've sat here and talked a long time. Any kind of parting words you want to share with our viewers about the whole planning process and perhaps how to get started?
Yeah, I think as we're going through this, the string that goes through it all is, look, if you're not sure, we don't bite lawyers, and we're happy to just have a discussion. And if that motivates you to just even start to begin the discussion or even begin the thought of doing this, I want to just kind of give everybody the permission to say, I'm okay to just start the discussion with the attorney or rather than having some sort of done your proper research, get everything down, and then graduate to talk to an attorney. Mm-hmm. I think we like that planning and processing piece to be able to just start the discussion. And it could be, I've had it where we have that initial discussion and I don't hear it from them for a little while and they come back, but they were able to use that first discussion to digest, think about it, kind of solidify, and then come back. And then they have these more intelligent questions and thoughts. But had they not had that initial discussion, we would never get to this point, right? And so I think that's kind of the underlying kind of theme throughout is, yeah, I think we're happy to just even start that discussion with people.
Okay. Yeah. And I'll be putting Stephen's contact information down below, so we can reach out to both of us. We work together very frequently, so it doesn't really matter,
just reach out to Dan.
But I think the most important is actually just start the conversation. Just start the conversation. Yeah. So that we can help you determine whether you need a certain type of planning or perhaps maybe more advanced planning, and then really set out the roadmap for families to get protected and avoid some of the mistakes. And yes, some of these probate fees put food on the table, but we'd rather help families properly plan it and get through more challenging parts of their life with relative smooth and ease. Yeah. So thanks again for hanging out with us, and hopefully we'll see some of our listeners soon, and we'll try to come up with more content as one of the more interesting stuff that we come across, and we share that with our clients and our viewers.